everyone. Today I'm going to cook chicken strips crispy. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Shin Cooking with MG and Blog. Don't forget to like, share, and leave comment. Thank you for all your support. I hope you have a wonderful day and night. Bye.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to make a chicken strip, fried chicken strip. So this is the chicken. So we need to slice the chicken sa long slice. Going to dry. There was a dry, this there one. Chicken strip, fried chicken strip.
Hello everyone. Now I'm going to mix the chicken breast to the flour. Need to put the flour like 1 cup of flour. One cup of cornstarch. And then 2 eggs.
Let's go bake 2 eggs.
Hello guys, I put here 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper and 1 tablespoon of chicken powder and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Then I mix it. And then I'm going to put salt, 1 tablespoon of salt of this chicken. Masari it well. I put 1 teaspoon of chicken powder and inside the eggs, and a little bit cayenne pepper. Same like I put on the cornstarch. Mix it. Now I'm going to bread it.
Chicken. Okay, sure you have to. Put it back again. Then you have to put the cornstarch. Sure. Same process. Put it. So 1 cup of cornstarch and 1 cup of 1 cup of flour, 2 eggs.
Same process. So you always repeat same process, guys. Make sure you have to cover with the dough. Oops.
Here's the flour. Okay, put the flour, eggs, put the back in the flour, and then put the cornstarch, and then you have to put in, supposed to be put in other hands. Yeah. The same process.
So hello everyone. So the chicken strip is done to bread it. So I'm going to make hot the oil 350 degrees and fried it.
Everyone, now I'm going to, this is I cut the oil 350 degrees heat, Fahrenheit. So I'm going to put the chicken. Now I turn the oven like medium heat. So we need to fry the chicken strip until it looks like golden brown.
Hello. Now I'm going to check our chicken. Okay.
Not yet. So now guys, I need to check. It's almost done. So the chicken almost golden brown. So this one is cooked. Let them fry that thing then. It's done. Done.
So hello everyone. So the chicken is over. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel Ishan Cooking with MJ. So the chicken is to put the plate here. The chicken breast, chicken strip or stripes, crispy. Now look, chicken. It's very crispy and cooked. Thank you very much for watching Ishan Cooking. Don't forget subscribe Ishan Cooking with MJ and Vlog. So you can put the ketchup or you can put the mayonnaise for this chicken strip. Thank you for watching.